Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify product images using bulk upload tools. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Shopify product images using bulk upload tools, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to your products page from the sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all your existing products. Identify the products that require image updates. For a bulk update, consider exporting your product data first. Click on the Export button, found at the top right corner of the Products page. Choose to export all products or only selected ones, depending on your needs. Select your preferred file format to download the CSV file. Once you have the CSV file, open it using spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Locate the column for product images in the CSV file. Replace the URLs in this column with the new image links. You can upload your new images to a file hosting service, or use Shopify's built-in file uploader. Once your new images are uploaded, copy their URLs into the CSV file. Ensure that each image URL corresponds accurately with its respective product. After updating the image links, save your changes to the CSV file. Now return to your Shopify admin panel. Click on the Import button on the Products page. Upload your modified CSV file. Shopify will process the changes and update your product images accordingly. Check your Products page to confirm that the images have been updated successfully. You have now completed the bulk update of your Shopify product images. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.